You sleep 9, maybe 10 hours, but still wake up exhausted. Meanwhile, some CEO sleeps 5 hours and feels unstoppable. What if sleeping more isn't helping you? It's making you weaker.
What are you talking about, man?
You've been told more sleep equals more energy. But studies show that oversleeping makes you slower, foggier, and more tired. And by the end of this video, you'll see why extra rest is ruining your life. You hit snooze, thinking just 10 more minutes. But instead of feeling rested, you feel heavier, drained, like your body's shutting down. And the worst part? This cycle gets worse every day.
Why?
A Harvard study found that people who sleep more than 9 hours have lower brain function than those who sleep less. Too much sleep messes with your metabolism, focus, and even your lifespan. Your body isn't tired. It's addicted to the comfort of sleep.
What?
The more you sleep in, the groggier you feel. Your body starts craving rest over action. And soon, you're trapped in a cycle where more sleep equals less energy.
Oh, hell no!
The problem isn't not enough sleep. It's too much low-quality sleep. Your body needs a rhythm, not random extra hours in bed. And fixing this isn't about more sleep, it's about smarter sleep. And if you are thinking,
I gotta get out of this shit.
Here's how to break out. Step 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even weekends. Step 2. Stop sleeping in. It confuses your body and makes you more tired. Step 3. Get sunlight and movement in the first 10 minutes of waking up. Because sleep isn't about quantity, it's about consistency. And your body works better when it knows what's coming.
Oh, tears! Get me the hell out of here!
Tomorrow morning, your alarm will ring, and you'll have 2 choices. Hit snooze and stay stuck in the cycle. Or get up, take control, and reset your body's clock. The difference between the world's top performers and everyone else?
You ain't gonna tell me shit.
Listen!
Suck my
Shut up! Listen to me!
Suck my you man.
Listen!
They wake up with purpose, while the rest stay trapped in comfort. Which one are you?